Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find servers on Discord. So in order to find and join a server, all you need to do is go to the left side over here and find this icon where it says explore discoverable servers. If you click over here, you will find a bunch of different servers like so, and you can of course scroll down to find even more of them. You can also use the categories on the left side in order to find something more specific, and in addition to that you also have a search engine over here at the top where you can type anything that might help you find the desired server. And of course, after typing, even then, you also have categories below the search bar over here. After you find the server that you want to join, all you need to do is click on the server. So let's say I'm gonna join the Minecraft Discord server over here. So let's click. And then you will see this message. Let's say that for now I'm just looking around. But if you decide to join, then at the top over here you will find join Minecraft. So let's click. And then you might also need to complete a few more steps before start talking on the server, so you can proceed and then press the complete button in order to go further. So over here you might see, for instance, the rules. You want to read the rules, agree to them, and then submit to fully join the server. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.